I'm Lothar Königs, I'm the music director of Welsh National Opera and I will be the conductor for the St. David's Hall concerts. We have now themed seasons with WNO. For me, I love to do research in, literature, in art, in music, and then to bring one concert program to this theme. The headline of this season is Fallen Women. I want to play music which was composed like a declaration of love, but not a declaration of love of the wife, then a declaration of love from the composer to the affair. So we will play the lyric suite by Alban Berg, then the Wesendonck-Lieder by Richard Wagner in the version of Hans-Werner Henze, and the Symphonie Fantastique by Hector Berlioz. 3 pieces of the greatest music we ever had in our repertoire. We will present a very challenging but a very interesting program.